going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back with another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2016 Tesla Model X. You guys remember that song back in the day? It's been a while. How many bitches can we fit in the Tesla? Oh, man. Yeah, when I first bought my Tesla Model S P90D, I played that song over and over and over and over again. And of course, the music video was filmed in a Tesla Model X, just like this, with the beautiful gull wings. I think that's what, did they still call them gull wings? That's what they called them back in the day. I don't know if they still call them gull wings anymore. It's a beautiful vehicle. It's a 75D, so it's not performance, but it is a dual motor, and you know, it's got a smaller battery, but that's okay. Looks like typical with these, somebody had them a little accident. I've seen this so many times on YouTube, guys. People forget that the gull wings are open, they start driving, and they run into the garage door or any number of other things, and once it twists this piece, you're done. You're done. This is part of, this is kind of like part of the frame. This is a integral part of the structure up here, and once you damage that, well, it's a wrap. It doesn't look, there's a GPS module right here. It doesn't look damaged, does it? I don't know. Obviously, somebody determined this thing was a total loss and they sent it off here. I guess this has just been sitting open. It's really sad. Yeah, I wonder if we could close it. I hate that it's just sitting open like this. It's got that beautiful white interior. You got the piano black on the back. Why? Yeah, dead as a doornail, so we're not going to be able to... Well, I guess I could climb through this way. It's got the third row seats and everything. Oh, man. Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. You know what I don't see? I don't see the key. I was thinking about climbing in and trying to get it to power on, but you see a key? I don't see a key. Without a key, it wouldn't do any good. I could jump the battery underneath the front there, but again, it won't do any good if there's no key. We won't be able to get it to do anything at all. Dang Model X, how do you open the... Oh, you know what? I think it's computer controlled, if I remember right. You push it and it actually finishes popping it. No? Yeah? I don't know. Somebody comment below and tell me. This is going to be a short one, unfortunately. Let me look through the front glass here. Maybe I can see. No, I don't see the key. You guys see it in there anywhere? I don't. Okay, well, 56,000 miles on the odometer. It obviously had a key at some point because they had the mileage and everything off of it. It's a shame to see it sitting like this. It really is. Oh well. Guys, there it is. You know what? Speaking of Tesla, my new Model 3 that I ordered in December is about to be ready for pickup. They sent me the VIN number, and we have an estimated scheduled delivery date of March 3rd to March 7th. I'm excited. I ordered a brand new Tesla Model 3 long range with the Aero wheels for more efficiency and further driving ability, right? Back in December, and it was 50 grand. It was a $50,000 car. My performance I paid like $56,000 for. And although the performance it's insane. It's a lot of fun, guys. I really love the performance. I've already popped one tire out here on these Oklahoma potholes, and it cost me almost $400. In fact, with installation, it cost me $400 for one tire. So I thought the best thing to do is either to buy an aftermarket set of 18s, or since I wanted more range anyway, just go ahead and get the Model 3 long range. Now, I'm keeping the performance for now. I'll probably sell it or trade it in at some point. Teslas are going for insane money right now. You can sell them for more than you bought them for because they're so hard to get. The waiting list on a brand new, like on a brand new 2022 Model 3 or Model X, Model Y, it's insane. So when you get your hands on one, you could flip it and make thousands of dollars for doing absolutely nothing other than waiting. Now, I don't intend to do that. I intend to keep mine, but stay tuned, guys. I'm going to have a video on that. We'll go up to Kansas City, which is where I have to pick it up, And maybe we'll bring Monkey Wrench Mike along with us. Next on my list, a 2017 Ford F150 with the Eco Beast engine, man. The twin turbo V6. That thing is a little monster. People laugh at it. I'm here to tell you, I've had one, and they'll pull just about anything you put behind it. This thing is sick, man. I like the attention to detail here. Look at this grille. Got the black with the red inserts, man. That very nice, very nice. You got the decals going down the side here, also very nice. And they did the same thing with the wheels here too. You got the black wheels, but with some nice little red details inside here. Lux HDs. What do we got here? We got red dirt road mud tire, 33 by 12.5 R20 LTs. This is a sick looking truck, guys. I really like this one. It's been here for a little while. I've seen it here for about 3 weeks. I'm not sure why it hasn't sold, probably because it hasn't brought what they're wanting for it. I don't know why it's here either. This is not a hail damage car. It looks good. It's listed as a run and drive. We'll fire it up here in just a second after we take a quick look at the interior here. Well, she's a little dirty. Maybe it was a theft recovery. Maybe. It smells good. It doesn't smell awful at all. It smells pretty decent. There's popcorn and some change in the seats. All right, let's see what it looks like up front here. 109,000 miles, not too bad. I think mine had almost 325,000 on it. And mine was still running great, aside from a little vibration in the rear differential. Not bad. This is a decent truck, guys. It's going to be dead as a doornail. We got the running boards, too. That's always nice. Let's put the key in, see if it does anything. Nope, she is dead. Got a little Pioneer head unit there. Very nice. Let's pop the hood. Give her a boost and see what she sounds like. Uh-oh, where's the lever? There it is. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm looking for any signs of massive oil leaks or anything. I'm not seeing it. The coolant is full and it looks clean. That's always nice. All right. Let's fire it up, see what she sounds like. All right, here we go. She is super dead, so let's override it. And there we go. She's got juice. Let's see what it does. All right. Oh yeah. Fired right up. I knew it would. I knew it would. I'd like to turn this off or down. Let's just do that. Turn that down. All right. Steering feels good. Brakes are solid. The important window, of course. Of course, important window works. Let's try out the air conditioning here. It's about that time, guys. It's gonna start getting warm again here soon. Gotta make sure the AC works. Yeah, AC works. That was quick. That was super fast. AC kicked right in. Very nice. We do have an airbag light. Aside from that, though, nothing else yet. Let's clear these. Yeah, door ajar. There we go. Very nice. Let's give her a little rev. Sounds healthy. Got your four-wheel drive over here. Let's try that out. 4 high. And it's in 4 high. 4 low. We got to shift to neutral, of course. Yep, 4 low. Back to 4 high. There we go. Put it back in park. And 2-wheel drive. Shift delayed. Pull forward. There we go. And we're back in 2-wheel drive again. This is solid. Unfortunately, trucks go for insane money, and people also expect a lot of money from them. Sometimes more than they're realistically going to bring at auction. Maybe that's the deal with this. I don't know. Here's another thing I'm noticing. I don't know if you can see it, but up here, do you see this stain up here? That's concerning because it almost makes me think the windshield may be leaking up top here. And yeah, that stain concerns me. There may be a pretty significant leak up there. That's something to take into consideration before buying it as well. Again, though, very nice. Very nice. Trailer backup. What is this? Your brakes? Your trailer brakes? Trailer back system is not available. Pro trailer backup assist. Okay. I don't know what that is. Maybe like a bird's eye view type thing. Very cool. Good truck. I like it. If I was in the market for a truck right now, this one would be a contender for sure. Absolutely. This would be on my list. But I've already got a truck, and I just ordered a new, a brand new one, 2500 with a SCAT engine. Yeah, that's, anyway, we'll get into that another time. I think we got one more on the list. Let's go find it. Now, before you click off the video because you're not interested in a Nissan Sentra, hold on a minute. There's a reason I'm showing you this one. This is somehow fire damaged, and it's my job to figure out what happened. Judging from the outside, I'm thinking it was inside of a garage or near something that burnt down. Can you see the damage yet? I may have to take you a little bit closer for you to actually see it. But this car got super, super hot. I find this to be very interesting, very intriguing, fascinating even, and it makes me wonder, would it still run? I mean, it should, right? The only damage appears to be external cosmetics. Now, we haven't looked at the inside yet, but if the outside isn't too bad, then theoretically the interior should be even better, right? That's my theory. Let's take a closer look at the external damage. We'll start with a melted mirror. Yeah, I mean, totally melted. This window is gone. Maybe it was so hot it blew out. Maybe somebody knocked it out. This wheel obviously got pretty hot, but the tire is still intact. It looks fine. The headlights aren't melted, so that's good. But you get over to the windshield, and I mean, she just disintegrated. The windshield is just busted and cracked everywhere. Also says non-runner. I'm not quite sure I believe that, though. The paint has smoke damage all over it. I mean, absolutely everywhere. The antenna up top has melted. Then you get down here to the rocker panel, and you think the heat would be less the lower you go. Maybe that's pre-existing damage, though. Yeah, that's metal. I thought that was plastic. That's pre-existing damage. All right, so nothing there. This tire saw some heat. This tire saw quite a bit of heat. All right, all the plastics are melted here as well. Look at this taillight assembly. And this one as well. This plastic and this fake chrome has all wrinkled up really, really gnarly. But the bumper looks good. Over here, tire looks all right. The body looks relatively good on this side as well. More melted plastics over there. Another melted mirror. And this is funny too. The grill melted. the grill just... she melted. The grill just sunk right in, man. Sunk right in. Interesting vehicle. I'm excited to see what the interior looks like. Did we see any interior damage? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This smells like ass. Oh my. Oh, wow. All right, so hopefully you can see the soot all over this car. All over this car. Wow. The instrument cluster melted a little bit. Yeah, she got real hot, guys. This is fun. This is a fun one. I know it's just a Sentra and not many people are interested in one. I am very interested in this. Could we bring this back to life, do you think? Could we save this car? Could we make it smell good again and look good again? Yeah, I think we could. I think we could. Boy, that instrument cluster plastic, I don't know if you can see it right there, but it melted. It just melted. Wow. All right, so we've got keys. Oh, it smells so bad. It smells so bad. Headliner is still intact. This was in what I would guess was maybe a garage fire Or maybe it sat next to a house that burnt down. I don't know. I think it was in something. The amount of smoke damage all over the entire body, all of it. Look at all the soot under here too. Good Lord. This car is getting me all dirty. All right. You know what we got to do? We got to throw a jump on this. We got to. I'll bet it runs. I guarantee it runs. I guarantee it does. Let's find out. This would probably go for nothing. It would probably go for nothing. If you don't come out here and take a closer look at it, you're probably going to think the car itself caught on fire, you know? And it's going to scare you away. Well, not me. All right. She's got power. I'm sure she has oil. Oh, yeah, she's got plenty of oil. Oil looks good. It's nice and golden. All right, ugh. This car's so nasty. So nasty. Take it to the Auto Spot LLC, have them bring that paint back. What do you think? Are you ready? No way. Wow. You can't see any of the gauges. In fact, it doesn't look like any of the gauges are even working. No, nothing works. But look how this glass is delaminated. You see these bubbles? Here, 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 and all over here. It got so hot, it delaminated the glass. Yeah, nothing inside works. Well, the air conditioning works. Sort of. No, it doesn't. There we go. Yeah, the AC just came. Oh, wow. The window works. There's a window there. Okay. The brakes work. Steering works. No gauges. No radio. No hazards. No turn signals. We'll see if the headlights work. I don't think they work either. Wipers. Wipers work. Look at my hands. Does it go into gear? Yeah. Okay. Okay. You gotta be kidding me, man. Oh, wow. The whole car was filled with water, I guess, when they sprayed everything down. Look how wet everything is. Oh, yeah. So this has got water damage, too. Oh, my goodness. Look at the headliner. Uh-oh. Whew, it didn't want to turn off. Okay. There we go. You got to push it a few times. This is melted. Look at this. It's melted. Wow. And look at that headliner. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah. All that's melted, too. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. I like this. I like this. Let's go ahead and shut all this off. Wow. What a disaster. What do you guys think? Is it worth trying to salvage and save it? Comment below. I'm gonna think about it. This is the last car. We're done. Well, unfortunately, I can't bid on it. It turns out it's got a junk title and it's listed as a non-runner. That's such a shame. Such a shame. A junk title. That car has a junk title. Somebody that really needs a vehicle could get this super cheap, put a little bit of money into it, work on it while they're fixing it up. They could probably have them a decent vehicle that's going to last them a while. Unfortunately, yeah, we can't bid on it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Definitely drop those comments below and stay safe out there. Until next time, I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.